Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a Coachmen Catalina 343 BHTS. As you can see, we got all metal up here. Then we also got the guard to go ahead and prevent it from rocks hitting and looking all scruffed. Let's go on the outside. There's some pass-through storage here as well. Metal siding. What's really nice about the metal siding is that it's impervious to rot, mold, decay, and delamination, which is really great about these Catalinas. Right here we got our solid steps here, very sturdy, so you make sure you don't fall. So as you enter the coach, coming on in here, to your right we got a flat screen TV here, as well as the fireplace. And under the fireplace, there's plenty of storage. You also can put storage right here as well. We got an electric output and outlet right here. We got our countertop right here. Nice sink where it's be able to pull. You can spray whoever you want. Got the removable sink. Pretty deep sink we got here. And put on the covers for more counter space. Up to your left here, got more storage here. Whoops, just leave that there. We got our microwave, as well as our stove. It is a 3-burner right on here, as well as an oven. And then we do have a nice large size fridge as well. And then freezer on the top. You can even lock it if you want, if you didn't want anyone to get into the fridge or the freezer. Right here, we got the sofa with the 2 cushions on there, or the 2 pillows rather. That does convert into a sleeping space as well. We got here the dinette, which once again, it does convert into a sleeping space as well. Plenty of lighting and plenty of windows here to be able to enjoy the outside as well, which is what you want to do when you camp. Going along here, we got more places for storage. In here we have the bathroom, the walk-in shower. Right there. As you come back here, we have the first bedroom, just queen size mattress. This does have storage underneath, so plenty of space. You can put your arsenal in there, shoes, anything, or what have you. Plenty of space to go ahead and store things on the top, as well as on the other side. You got more space right here. Put your wardrobe in here. And also, just once again, more cabinetry to store things. We got a window here too in the bedroom, which is really nice. And we do have TV hookups here as well with electrical outlet. So this is the first bedroom. You also have some USB jacks on the side. And for more privacy, you can close the door. Then we're going to go to the back here to the second bedroom. That's what's really unique about this floor plan, is it's got 2 bedrooms. So come on in here. Fairly similar, same size mattress, so no one gets offended. We got plenty of storage right here, once again for your arsenal or shoes or what have you. Space on the top. What's really cool about this room is you got the closet. Plenty of storage here in the closet. It's also got the mirrors on there, which you can check yourself out if you'd like. And in the front, in this bathroom, or sorry, this bedroom, excuse me, we do have washer and dryer hookups here. And you can use it as storage, either or. It's completely fine. Storage on the bottom here. Nice little dresser with also another window, so you can have some more sunlight on both sides and TV hookups as well, an electrical outlet. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, feel free to give me a call. My name is Kyle, and my phone number is 541-799-8794. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks.